Section 15.1 focuses on parallel and perpendicular lines, writing equations of parallel and perpendicular lines, and then also distance and midpoint formulas. Alright, so parallel lines have the same slope. So if I start by just finding the slope of the line that passes through those 2 points, remember that slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 19 minus 5 over negative 3 minus 4. 19 minus 5 is 14, and negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. So my slope is negative 2. So then the slope that's parallel is going to be the same thing, negative 2. The slope that is perpendicular is going to be the opposite, so it's going to be positive, and then reciprocal, flip the fraction over, so positive 1/2. Given a line with a slope of negative 4/5, write the equation of the line parallel to the given line that passes through this point. So we want to use point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Parallel lines are going to have the same slope, so the slope of my line parallel will still be negative 4/5, and I'm going to use this point 20 negative 8. So y minus negative 8 is equal to negative 4/5 times x minus 20. This is y plus 8 is equal to, and then distribute negative 4/5, so negative 4/5 x plus 16. And then subtract 8 from both sides. Y equals negative 4/5 x plus 8. So now we have 2 points. Given the line that passes through those 2 points, we want to write the equation of the line that is perpendicular to my given line and that passes through this point. So first, I need the slope of the given line. So 8 minus negative 1 over 6 minus 3. So 8 minus 1 is 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 over 3. So we want the slope of the line perpendicular. So the perpendicular slope is going to be negative 1/3, opposite reciprocal, and this little symbol means perpendicular that I drew there. And then we'll use point slope form to write the equation. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So y minus negative 2 is equal to negative 1/3 times x minus 9. Y plus 2 is equal to, I'm going to distribute my negative 1/3 into the parentheses, negative 1/3 x plus 3. Subtract 2 from both sides. Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 1. Distance and midpoint. So I'll start with finding the distance. The distance is big square root, the difference in the x's, squared, plus the difference in the y's squared. So big square root 5 minus 4 squared plus negative 1 minus 3 squared, 1 squared plus negative 4 squared, 1 plus 16, which is the square root of 17, or if we ask you to a couple of decimal places, is the square root is 4.12. And now for midpoint, when you think about midpoint, think average. Midpoint we represent with capital M. We're going to add the x's and divide by 2, and add the y's and divide by 2. And what you should end up with is another ordered pair. So 5 plus 4 divided by 2, negative 1 plus 3 divided by 2. This is 9 over 2 and 2 over 2. So 4.51 would be the midpoint of that segment.